Trucking's a pretty simple operation, right? Somebody loads the goods onto a truck, drives the truck from point A to point B, drops off the goods, and that's all she wrote. Couldn't be easier, right? Yeah, except that there's all the dispatching, hours on the phone with customers, last-minute load changes, keeping track of drivers and equipment. You have to tell 5 different people 5 separate times if anything changes, so no one drops the ball. Then there's managing resource assignments, fuel tax reporting, tracking hours of service, freight billing, keeping the regulation watchdogs happy, and on and on and on. So yeah, it's about as easy as planning a full-scale military invasion. And here's the craziest part. You're doing all of this manually, with a whiteboard, a phone, and QuickBooks or some other accounting system, and lots of paper. Double high five for you. But seriously, imagine if you didn't have to do it all manually. What if there was a simpler, affordable, and more efficient way to run things and take your operation to the next level? Guess what? There is. It's called Prophesy. Prophesy is a transportation software solution that's as natural to use as the old whiteboard, and it streamlines every part of your business. There's a single point of data entry, so as soon as you punch something in, it shoots out through your whole company in real time. Which means no more "I forgot to update the whiteboard" mishaps, or having to re-enter info in multiple locations. It automates the fun stuff like fuel tax and hours of service reporting, so all the regulation watchdogs stay happy. And it integrates with QuickBooks, Great Plains, and most other accounting software, which rocks since you're probably using one of them already. All of Prophecy's solutions are modular, which means you only get what you need. So if you're an LTL or truckload carrier, maybe you just need X. Or if you're a broker or 3PL, maybe you need X and Z but not Y. You get it. Here's the deal. Prophesy can make every part of your operation, from load planning to lane analysis, from shipping status to DOT rules, way easier and way more efficient. Here's the other deal. When you use Prophesy, you don't just get a new system, you also become a member of the Excelos supply chain management community, which puts you in touch with manufacturers and shippers across the country and gives you credibility as a reliable, organized fleet. So basically, using Prophesy means you can start growing your business and start using your whiteboard for something fun. Learn more at mile.com or give us a call at 800-776-6706.